I am here in beautiful Amsterdam. See this here? What is underneath here is the story. Literally, there's bike parking for thousands of bikes, and they did it by diking this off, digging down, building bike storage. I'm going to show it to you very shortly, and putting a roof on this waterproof, filling it back up. So come with me, I'm going to show you what that looks like down below the water. We are now literally under the canal that I just showed you. And there are thousands of bikes here. Thousands of bikes. We are literally under the canal. Double-decker biker parking here. It's well lit. It's well kept. It's beautiful. It's climate controlled. I wish you could see above there. That is the canal that I just showed you. So let's say your bike is parked, you got a flat, you need service. They have full service right in here. All the repairs right here. Anything you need, they will take care of you right here in the bike repair station. Pretty darn cool, isn't it? Love the Dutch.